For a link to the PDF version of these instructions, check down below in the description. The St. John's Baptistery Octagon Raised Garden Bed requires 8 2-foot boards connected with stacking brackets and 8 stacking stakes per level. For a full list of parts required for each level, as well as cubic soil required for each level, check down below in the description. To connect your boards and brackets, take a bracket and slide one onto either end of your board until the snap lock hole is lined up. Once you have the hole lined up, take one of your snap lock plugs and lay it flat onto that opening. Then with the palm of your hand, apply firm pressure until you hear a click. Now flip the board around and repeat this step on the other side. If you're having trouble installing the snap lock plugs by hand, you can also use a hammer or mallet to install them. If you think that you've installed your bracket in the wrong orientation and you need to remove it and flip it around, you can do so using a flathead screwdriver. Take the flathead screwdriver and insert it into the opening on either side of the snap lock plug. Insert it and apply firm pressure into the snap lock plug and then twist up. Then flip it around again and repeat this step. Firm pressure into the nub and twist up. Now you can remove your bracket and flip it around. When connecting the boards and brackets for your design, make sure to connect the brackets on either end in alternating fashion. On this side we have a bracket sleeve that's in the down position, and on the other side have the bracket in the up position. For hard surface installation, you can use a hacksaw to cut off the part of the stake that inserts into the ground. Lay out the boards for the first level of your design flat on the ground so that you can see the footprint of where your garden is going to go. Connect the joints of the base level of your frame using stacking stakes inserted into the joints upside down. This will allow you to form the base level of your frame while also being able to make adjustments to that base level shape before you hammer those stakes into the ground. Once you've made the final adjustments to the base frame of your design, you can flip over those stacking stakes and hammer them into the ground. If you're building a one-level design, at this point, all you have to do is install your finishing caps and your frame is ready to go. If you're building a multi-level design, for each additional level, you'll use 8 2-foot timbers with stacking brackets, and you'll use stacking stakes to stack those boards. These stacking stakes will insert into the top of your ground level stacking stakes. Once you stack the final level of your design, the last step is to install your finishing caps, and then you're ready to fill it with soil and start planting. If you have any questions on this instructional video, please email us at support@frameitall.com.
Frame it all.